Hello there, welcome to Famety YouTube channel. Today we will take a look at the YouTube title generator tool. AI YouTube title generators are a tool that helps you create relevant, unique, and attractive titles for your videos using AI. To put it differently, these tools analyze your video's content and keywords to suggest titles optimized for visibility. This saves you time and effort while ensuring your titles are optimized using the right keywords and aligned with recent trends. In this first step, you should select your preferred language based on your target audience on the platform. After choosing the language you want to create your YouTube title with, it's time to choose the relevant title category. Next, provide a brief description of your video. This allows the AI YouTube title generator to understand the content and context of your video. Type relevant and trending keywords that you want to focus on in your YouTube video titles. Once you've completed the steps above, there is one thing left. Click on the Generate button to receive a list of optimized title suggestions. Review the options and choose the one that best fits your needs and preferences. That's it. Try it now and start seeing results in no time. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.